Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this Olympiad mathematics question, and we are going to approach it in two different ways. And the question is, if x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by 3, we are asked to evaluate x plus 1 divided by x. So let's get started. The first method, I would like to cross multiply from the first equation, simplify it, and transform it in terms of the second expression. So let's do that. All right, so let me take the whole of this and multiply by 3 first. And I take 2 and multiply by our denominator. Let me start with the numerator. To the top, we have 3 multiplied by x squared, which is 3x squared. Then negative what? 3x, then plus 3. This is equal to, I will now take 2 and multiply all of these times. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times x will give us 2x. And finally, 2 times 1 will give us 2. Now let us bring all terms to the left-hand side. We have 3x squared minus 2x squared. That will give us x squared. I have x squared here. Then negative 3x. As 2x crosses over, it becomes negative as well. So we have negative 3x, negative 2x. That is negative 5x. I have 3 minus 2 equal to 1. And the whole of this equal to 0. Now let us divide every single term by x. We have already seen that x cannot be equal to 0 from the second expression, because if it is equal to 0, we wouldn't have been given this expression because we can't divide by 0. So let's divide by x. We have x squared divided by x, which is x, minus 5x divided by x is 5, plus 1 divided by x, equal to 0 divided by x, which is still equal to 0. Now remember, what we are looking for is just x plus 1 divided by x, which is right here. Now let us take negative 5 to the right hand side. Therefore, x plus 1 divided by x as required equal to positive 5. And this is our final answer. Now let us look at it in the second approach. So second method. From here, I don't want to cross multiply. Rather, divide all times on the numerator by x. Likewise, those times on the denominator, because we have seen that x is not equal to 0. So I want to take this one and divide it by x. That will give us x. Take negative x and divide it by x. That will give us negative 1. Take 1 divided by x. We'll have 1 divided by x. Do the same thing to the numerator. X squared here divided by x. That will give us x. X divided by x. That will give us positive 1. And we have 1 divided by x. This is equal to 2 divided by 3. So now let us rearrange these equations, because you can see we have x plus 1 divided by x. So we can take negative 1 to the end and also positive 1 right here. So we have x plus 1 divided by x, then minus 1. Let me even close this one for reference. Divide by x plus 1 divided by x, then plus 1. Remember that this is equal to 2 divided by 3. So we are almost done. Now we want to express the right hand side as a number minus 1 divided by the same number plus 1, because you can see these two numbers are exactly the same, or these expressions, they are exactly the same. The numerator is minus 1 and the denominator is plus 1. So we want to express the right hand side as the same number minus 1 divided by that same number plus 1. So let's do that. First of all, let us multiply the top and the bottom by 2 to the right hand side. You know, they're equivalent. Multiply the top and the bottom by 2 will not change anything. So we have 4 divided by 6, right? So let me even write it here. This is 4 divided by 6. But 4 can be expressed as what? 5 minus 1. And 6 can be expressed as what? 5 plus 1. And that's our main goal. So let me rewrite this. This is equal to 4, which is the same thing as 5 minus 1. And 6, which is what? 5 plus 1. So now we are going to relate the left and the right hand side. Since this expression is exactly with this one is exactly with this one, we have minus 1 here, we have minus 1 here, plus 1 here, plus 1 here. This shows that x plus 1 divided by x must be equal to 5. And hence we conclude that x plus 1 divided by x is equal to 5. Final answer. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.